Hi everyone and welcome back again for another TradingView tips. In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to zoom in and out to help you adjust your view to see price action more clearly. Actually, there are different ways on how you could zoom in and out. The first way is if you hover your mouse at the bottom here, you will see these icons. You can just click plus. You can also click minus to zoom out. Another thing is if you are using your mouse, you can just scroll in and scroll out. Another is if you don't have a mouse but you're using your trackpad, what you can do is you can right click on it and then scroll in and out to zoom in and out as well. So it's very simple and it's very useful, especially if you're a day trader zooming in on a 5-minute chart to see quick price movements. But if you're long-term investor, zooming out to weekly or monthly chart will give you a bigger market perspective. Now that you know how to zoom in and out like a pro, try adjusting your chart for better analysis. And if you found this helpful, hit the like button, drop a comment, and subscribe for more TradingView tutorials. See you in the next one!